Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Delhi Tarot, and these are your monthly readings for the sun, moon and the rising sign of Sagittarius. Sagittarius, please keep in mind this is your group general reading for the month of January 2025. It's a group reading, so please pick it up what resonates with you. Please leave the rest for others. And if you really like what I do on the channel, please do like, subscribe the channel and put on the notifications. For any personal private reading or a healing process, my email ID and the website is mentioned in the description box below. Now I've changed the pattern of doing the monthly readings. This is your energy and this is your overall detailed tarot insights. Along with that, I'm also going to pull out some oracle cards for your career, and I'm going to clarify your money, career, finances also with the tarot this month. And at the later stage, I'm going to do your love, relationship, the crystal, and few angel messages as well. So let us see, Sagittarius, what are your energies for this particular month. You have the healer of the ages, you also have angel of strength, and you have goddesses of the moon. Yes, the beginning needs lot of patience, lot of calmness, lot of intense courage from your side, Sagittarius. The best part is that you have healed a lot of mental, emotional, physical, financial past wounds already, and you are completely at the path of recovery, and the recovery is going to get complete very very soon. Only the month of January you have to show little patience, so that all the things which were dragging, things were not coming to resolutions, things were not coming to any kind of result, that is also getting up winded in the month of January. So overall, just treat this particular month, the month of January, as the period of complete closure, complete recovery, complete resolution. And you will also feel very peaceful, very calm once you will see that, okay, yes, things are getting sorted. In the whole process, your own intuition, your own gut feeling is going to be the guiding force. And the cards are also giving some information that if there are still some pending issues, making any hasty decision, making uninformed decision, or a decision while you are impulsive, aggressive, is something which is not going to suit you. You have to listen to your inner voice, and you have to show a lot of patience, courage, definitely, for this particular month. Now, when I see your angel number, you have 6, 5, and 7. So, yes, when you talk to a lot of people, when you're taking a lot of suggestions, advice, your effective communication is going to be the key to success for your health. And there is a lot of insights, new insights, which will add on to your wisdom, maturity, and inner voice this particular month. From the card of tarot, you do have two of sword. Now look at the card two of sword. It says yes, it is going to be a big decision making time for all Sagittarius people in the month of January. Sagittarius people, something which was prolonged, it's definitely the time for you to close it for once and for all. Whether you do it this month or next month, the decision has to be taken, the closure has to be made for sure this particular month. This card is also giving an indication that you were actually ignoring some very important aspect. You were buying time, but now the resolution has to be made as soon as possible for you, Sagittarius. It's a karmic period for you, and then you also have Four of Cups. So, yes, overall, the month of January is an average month for you. The karmic influence is also there, and the answers which are coming, the resolutions which are coming, the solutions which are coming, it may not satisfy you completely, or it may not give you 100% satisfaction or commitment. But the best part in the overall reading is that you will be closing a lot of karmic debts from your side, which is actually a very good aspect, so that you can move onto your journey, the next journey, freely, with all the karmic baggages. And the resolutions which you may expect will not come in the way, in the form you are expecting. There will be changes, there will be modification in the way you are looking, or you have expected the resolution to happen. So yes, things might not go your way, but still allow that time to get closer to lot of things. Closing is very very important for you, Sagittarius people. Now let us see what messages do we have specifically for your money, career and finances. You have a beautiful card, the Magician, you have Six of Wands, and you have Nine of Pentacles. This is so far one of the best money career reading we have received for any signs in the month of January. Sagittarius, you are a born creator. Now, all the difficult situation is leading you, motivating you to start professionally something of your own, and you will be converting lot of your skills, competencies into a big money making idea. Now, if you see this tarot reading, the card Magician says that if you want to start anything, you will get all help from people, you will get all resources will be arranged for you, and the struggle, the competition will come to an end also. But I am anticipating this to happen by January mid or January end. And with this Nine of Pentacle, the money recovery is very, very prominent into your cards. So overall, it's a very, very promising money, career, finances reading. Now also, if you have given any meetings, if you have given any interviews, or if you are waiting for just an answer, please know, or just a call you are waiting for, the call will come for sure, and the call will also fall into your favor. So overall, you are actually guided to leave working for other people, but you are being motivated to start or begin your own work, wherein you are your own boss, you are only responsible for your own professional things, and that kind of profession, that kind of career will suit you more in the longer run. So work for yourself. And the career related specific cards, oracle card you have is a message of flashback, which says people from the past will return to give you opportunities and help. You may work with a previous employer, co-worker, or take back an old job. Once you like that, you will get a second chance to work with lot of people you have worked, or with lot of organizations. So yes, this is people from past, recent past, your earlier organization, people with whom you have worked, they might come back to you with an opportunity. But trust me, you are becoming a consultant advisor for them, or you are starting some venture of your own, wherein you are giving your skills, competencies, and you are being paid as a partner advisor or a freelance consultant. Oh my goodness, I did not saw that you have a flyer also in the reading. And you also have a card of Frozen, which says there may be a hiring freeze or no new work completely at the area of your choice. So being aloof can leave you out in the cold. A soft and a warm follow up with people who are you are really interested to get to work into may get you in the door with the little follow up. So keep on following, don't be stagnant. The needed action is very much required from your side. And yes, you are having good, beautiful offerings coming your way. You will be offered a new position or investment opportunity. And this is what I was trying to tell you. Here comes the opportunity of an investment of your skills, competencies. I will not suggest you to pour any money into somebody's else business. If you are starting completely 100% of your own, try to put your money, your investments, your saving into your own business, where you are responsible for retrieving that. Because once you are getting in cooperation, in coordination, or in collaboration with somebody else, the money will be shared. It is recommended that you use your money savings completely on your ventures, on your creations, on your entrepreneurship. And the card says think about it and research it well before you are moving into any collaboration. And before you are accepting it, you have to be extremely careful of what you are expecting or accepting coming your way. Yes, the courage is something. Now if you see, you have got exactly the same cards. Look at the symbols and the signs. Lot of boldness is needed for you to make this change, because it's very difficult to change from being an employee to become your own employer, become self independent. It is actually difficult in a longer run. Ask what you are afraid of so that you can overcome what is holding you back. There are leadership learning opportunities coming your way. You may take it as per your own convenience, but it is also very important for you to let go any fear, any doubt, any stress, anxiety you are holding within yourself in order to venture into completely new. So you have to be very comfortable first into your own skin while you are experiment anything, and then see Because if you are starting anything of your own, 100% Sagittarius, you will get success, because you have got two successful cards. The Six of Wands and Nine of Pentacle is a very big confirmation that you will be very successful into the business, into the entrepreneurship, or a new profession you are starting for your own self. Now let us see some messages this month for your love relationships for this particular month of January. And I'm sorry for this. Let us see the messages for money, for your love relationships. You have Three of Wands. You also have a card of the Devil. And you also have the message of Queen of Pentacles. Now, if you see your money, your love relationship readings, you have fire signs influence and you have earth sign influence. And this is very important reading. It says, Sagittarius, somewhere down the line, your money issues, your financial issues, or your concerns, or your professional concerns, or your concerns related to your career is bothering your love life, is bothering your relationship with your partner, or maybe it is bothering your married life. You're not giving that much of priority, intense importance, or you're not giving so much of concern to your partner. But either ways, the devil says that you have to bring back your focus on track. If you really want to nurture your relationship, the balance, the harmony to both the aspects are very, very important. The devil card is an indication that maybe your other things is taking away your priority. You're becoming lazy to maintain your existing relationship. You're giving more time to your career, to your profession, which is no harm or which is not bad, but everything in life needs equal proportion or the needed proportion. It's also the time for you to take a little backseat, have little self introspection, work on your balance or a good blend between your work life and to your personal life, and then get back things on track. And also go for a retreat, spend some time with your love partner, with your with your spouse this particular month. Now let us see what messages related to love relationships, oracle messages do we have for you. We have a card which says past life relationship. You have known each other before. So if you are in a new relationship, is there a confusion, you're not able to understand a partner, this is a clear indication that you are into a karmic relationship, because you also have a card of justice. The moment I was holding this card, there is a lot of give and take. That is why you are in the relationship. And one thing I also wanted to tell you, in love relationship, we do see that either ways we are getting the water signs, or we are getting cups there, we are getting Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy. But your relationship is more about work, career, and money. So yes, you are in a karmic relationship. I do feel the intensity or the chemistry between the partners is little low or less this particular relationship. So you need to think about it, because I do feel the spark is missing between you and your partner. And the other card you have is a finance and career. Look at the reading, and I'm so thrilled that we have received such a clear indication and a card into your reading. It says financial issues are a factor in your love life right now, which is giving you enough botheration to you and your partner. And both the partners are not able to feel the love in the relationship. It's an individual call. You need to see what is your priority, what is important for you. If your career is completely 100% important, then definitely the love relationship and the married life do suffer, but you have to bring the balance accordingly. Now let us see which crystal is going to be lucky for you this particular month. And the card you have is a clear quartz, which is one of the most important and most likable crystal in the world. You may retain it always. It improves the space, it clears all the negativities, blockages, and challenges in your course. It says, let yourself feel all your emotions. Your entire rainbow spectrum of feeling is sending you some important messages and guidance. So try to take all the needed messages for yourself. Feel your emotions in the love relationship and try to give some time to the partnership as well. Now let us see your final messages for the reading, your angel answers messages. You have a card which says look for a sign. And then you also have a message for abundance. And the other message today you have is the within the next few weeks. Now when I say look for a sign, this is definitely going with your intuition. Anything which is happening with you in the month of January, you will get 100% prior indications, information. Somebody will tell you, or maybe you will feel about the changes. Don't ignore that. Don't second guess your thoughts. It is giving you a lot of clues for for you to take the required, the needed action and direction. And no matter what happens within the next few weeks, I do see that the materialistic recovery, the materialistic abundance is bound to come into your life. Now how you use this particular time of January, because I do feel January seems to be a month of recovery, but it is the passage time also, that you are moving from working for others and you are planning to work primarily for yourself. Trust me, you will get settled down within the next few weeks and the abundance is 100% sure. Sagittarius, I'm getting a very prominent feeling for your professional life, for your career upliftment, provided you are planning to work primarily for yourself. Don't be in hurry, don't be in rush. Do your homework, do your research, plan your strategies, and then take a conscious move or call accordingly. I will see you next time very soon. Be blessed.